Alright guys, this is my third attempt on this nasty little Abus. This is from Shane in Toronto. I do have a key taped to the back of the note, and the note basically says it's a challenge lock, and he calls it the Frugal Revenge. Made several improvements he thinks I'll find interesting, and that's to say the least. It is a conglomeration of parts from other locks, so yeah. What I can tell you, as I said, it's my third try on this thing. A lot of serrations in here. I've got the microphone pretty close to the lock. Move it just a little closer there. I'm having to use a 13 thousandths because it seems in the back it gets constricted somehow. I don't know how he did that. And the spring tension on these pins are quite different. Pretty light in the front, pretty heavy in the very back. And what I've also discovered is pin 6, if you apply any tension and try to pick him, he won't. You have to release tension and then pick him. So what I'm going to do is apply heavy tension, position my pick on him, because he's a little hard to get on, and then release the tension, and then try to pick him. Come on. Come on, there we go. A little click on him. Now let's see if that works. That was pin 2. Okay, that was pin 5. Got a tiny little turn on the core. Okay, that was pin 3. Nice little click. That was pin 1 again. That was pin 5 again. He popped back down on me. I'm going to reset my tension wrench. He's about to pop out. Here we go. Looking for feedback or anything. That was 5 again. Let me check 6. He's good. That was pin 2. One little counter rotation there. I think that got it. Got an okay fault set, but I'm not getting any feedback at this point. About to lose a tensioner again. I'm about to lose that tensioner again. Okay, that was 1 again. Another click on him. I can't tell if that's feedback on 5 or if I'm on the warding. All right, I'm going to get on 5 then. I'm going to take a chance here. I'm going to assume, reposition that tensioner again. Release a little tension. Let's see if I can set 5. Come on. I guess that's counter rotation. Come on. Break the tip off of that. I cannot get that. It's a wide tip too. I just can't seem to get positioned on him. I don't think that's the way to go. There it is. I'll take it. I'll do 6:19 plus 20 more minutes, so 26:19. What a nasty, nasty lock. Let me guess, it's got some kind of weird UK 3-bladed Phillips in it. Oh, thank goodness, it's a standard. Oh, it's from North America, that's right. All right, got it. Just making fun, guys. Just having a little fun. Let me move that microphone so I don't bend it, or don't bump it. See if we could have bypassed this now, because I have a bypass for the sparrows. Oh no. Yep. Oh no, it's got a bypass wafer in it. Yep. Couldn't have done it. All right. Let's settle this off to the side. Get the Jeep. Let's get the key. Get the razor. Okay, we got multiple layers of shrink wrap, it looks like. Ah, very nice. I guess that one wasn't deep enough, so we got a file to it, made it a little deeper. All right, let's see if it does work. And of course it does. Very smooth, doesn't drag. It's hard to get in and out, but valid challenge lock. All right, let's declip it and see what we got. Come here, you. Okay. Don't want to screw up at the last minute. Get in there. Don't do that, Bill. All right, that does not want to go in there, which is even scarier because it tells me there really is something sharp at the shear line, like a T-pin or something. I got to take a chance, though. All right, I wonder. Let's turn it like that. Put the wide part on the top, and then maybe I can get this to cooperate and ride that ridge. Nope. Let's try that and hope for the best. What do you say? Nope. Come on. These hybrid locks are killers. I am stuck here. There's something grabbed in that groove. I think I got lucky to get him back. He just won't go in there. Nope. Crap. All right, let's do it the hard way. Turn him like this. The key pins are going to be on the left side. Let's just gut him backwards. All right, we have an ASA, or ASA style, looks like. Put him right there. Thought I saw a spring. There he is. Come on. Okay, we got a spool. All these are threaded so far, so I might have a little trouble getting some of these springs out of here. Okay, another spool, but much smaller. I heard him. Here he is. Heard him pop in there. All right, number 3. Another long spool. Number 2. Another spool. And the last one. Another spool. All right, nothing too exotic upstairs. All spools except for this last guy who looks to be a copy of an ASA. Slightly smaller diameter, so it's probably homemade. Let's see what we got up here. Okay, now, I don't see anything. I don't think I dropped him either. This does not look right. I must, oh, there he is, right there. I did drop him. Whew! Thought I was going crazier. All right, there's pin 1. And he was a standard. Let's pull this key out and just go ahead and come out. All right, let's not pull that key out. Pin 2. Got a serration in it. No, torpedo pin. Great. Number 3 is standard. Number 4, torpedo. Number 5, standard. And number 6, also a standard. All right, I'm seeing serrations in every single chamber. And upstairs, you can see on the top here, these are also, I don't know how which is better with the light there. There we go. Those are all threaded, and I think, yep, every single chamber on the inside is threaded. Somebody went crazy with the tap. That's more than your normal allocation of threading. Pin-wise, it doesn't look super exotic, as hard as that was to pick. We got a couple of weird ones, though. We got a couple of torpedo pins here and here. All the rest are standards. Turn those guys around right. And then upstairs, all spools, oddly. And then one ASA copy. All the springs were the same, despite it feeling like it was constricted back there. I don't see any constriction. Oops, sorry. I see no constriction. I don't know what was going on back there, but I had a heck of a time picking that high cutter. So maybe the very fact that I had to squeeze that 15 or that 13 thousandths around that curve, that's the only excuse I have for taking so long. Anyway, guys, appreciate your time. Stay safe, stay legal. Oh man, Shane, I don't know what to tell you. Thanks, guys.